The unit fell out of the window with the power cord attached. The wires parted internally and I'm left with one wire soldered internally and intact, one wire with a female connector attached but pulled off its attachment, and one wire, white, appears to have been pulled off either its connector or solder point. I want to reattach the internal power wires in order to use the air conditioner number 580.76081500, heat wave coming.
Hello, that's a good issue you have going on there but could be easily solved. Go to the Sears web page, order schematics and have solder gun with solder flux if needed. You may want to order the replacement cord or appropriate wire you need as well. Follow the diagram, you should be fixed in no time. If it is a 110 volt, white is neutral, black is line and green is ground. In a normal 110 wire schematic I'll be available to help you with wire when you respond.
Hi SWFLHVAC, thanks for the help. I just went to the Sears site and contacted numerous subdirectories and spoke with parts workers. But XXXXXX is they do not have a schematic available and don't offer technical assistance. Looks like the ball is in your corner. Pete.
Can you take a picture of it and upload it so I can see it? It would make things a bit easier.
The white housing at the top of the wire just pinned underneath the 3-prong outlet connector fits into the bottom of the control box, suggests that all 3 wires connect inside the control box. There is female F connector inside the control box that likely is where the line connection with the female F connector goes. I don't seem to be able to see where the bare wire ground wire connects.
It should not be bare, it should have a spade connector on it. Like I had said earlier, there are 3 wires: white, neutral, black, line, green, ground. The spade clip could have been pulled off when T fell. Allow me to dig deeper and I will get back with you tonight, but it looks as if you're on the right track. Look for worn out marks on connection. You may need just to add spade connector and you're done.
If you have a moment, which wire would connect to the capacitor? Looks to me like a connector was connected to it, the round item in the control box. Thanks, Pete.
Y2wire would go to cap look:/www.searspartsdirect.com/partsdirect/part model/kenmore parts/room air conditioner parts/model 253710550032/05032/P0050462/00006 at this web page. Did that help you with your wiring issue, and is your unit now operational?
Yes, the power is on, but on a separate issue the unit goes on, but then I get a click shortly, 3 to 4 seconds, after turning it on, and the LED blinks and it tries to recycle, clicking the same way for as long as I keep it turned on. There is no power issue, the breaker is fine on the power cord and the fan starts up briefly but cuts off. This new issue truly is a new issue, so I'm comfortable with paying a second fee if necessary if you wish to help with this new issue. Obviously and appropriately I'm going to rate your help on the power cord as excellent service. Thanks, Pete.
Alright, let's see what we can figure out. When the AC fell out the window, did it break any copper tubing? Is the any oil anywhere in or around the unit? Also, do you see any cracks in the circuit board that may cause a miscommunication? Check the fan relay at the one with the blue wire attached to it. See if that is the one that is making the clicking sound. The impact may have caused damage to that reply.
It does indeed sound like the clicking is coming from the small black box, reply, that the blue wire is attached to. The black box, reply, is attached to the printed circuit board. Any logical next steps? Pete.
I don't believe those relays are replaceable. I think you need to order the board. Sorry to info you of such bad news. Try taping it with the back end of a screwdriver on the side with no wires, maybe just stuck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.